Hello everyone, this is Mahesh, and in this video I am going to explain about the story of a Jonathan Livingston Seagull. The Jonathan Livingston Seagull story consists of three parts, but in this video I want to explain about the first part of the Jonathan Livingston Seagull story. This first part of the Jonathan Livingston Seagull explains about the life of a Jonathan Livingston Seagull and its goals and how it achieved its goal, whatever the challenges it had faced. So, it was an inspirational and motivational story. So, the readers, everyone must experience that inspirational feeling while reading this story. Getting into the story, there is one seagulls community whose name was the Breakfast Flucker. So the Breakfast Flucker community was mainly focused on to gather food because it was very important to gather food for their survival. But apart from that community, there is one seagull which is Jonathan Livingston Seagull had practicing in the sky to be fly at more heights. The Jonathan Livingston Seagull was completely different from this community and his ideology are also different from that seagull's community. The belief of that seagull's community was flying in the sky became disgrace and dishonor to the seagulls community. So they are not happy with the Jonathan's behavior. They always insulted the Jonathan by making himself criticized and laughed at Jonathan's practicing. So that this is the seagulls community has not happy with the Jonathan's behavior. Even his parents are also not happy with the Jonathan's behavior. Her father, one day, her father warned the Jonathan Livingston Seagull to do more focus on fishing because winter is very near to them. So it is very important to gather food for their survival. The Jonathan was convinced by his father's words. It started to gather food and collect that gather food at their home. But the Jonathan did not continue this process for a long time. It again realized that it had a strong desire to fly in the sky at greater heights. So it again started practicing to flying in the sky. When the Jonathan was flying in the sky, while it going to some limit, it all every time it flee down from that position and fall into the ocean. Jonathan was unhappy with that why this could happen for me, and it always thinks about the Jonathan community's words that the Jonathan could not do this because it does not have the abilities have and it does not have the talent to reach that greater heights. So it was afraid of their words and started degrading himself that we are only here to catch the food only. We are in the earth to catch the food only. But there is one inner voice from the Jonathan Livingston Seagull had tell to Jonathan Livingston, you can do this by learning more on practicing the flying in the sky. So the Jonathan Livingston Seagull had observed the surroundings, how to learn to be flying in the sky. At this particular time, the Jonathan Livingston Seagull had observed one bird which have the small wings fly in the sky more than the Jonathan Seagull. So it had realized that if the Jonathan Seagull had the small wings, it could also do the same thing like that small bird. So it had come up with an idea. It started flying in the sky by bending its wings at shorter lengths. This work was completely successful and the Jonathan Seagull was not only flying in the sky, it had make a record of throughout the seagulls community who had not reached this before. It was a new record of which was created by the seagull, Jonathan Seagull. So that Jonathan was very happy with his work. It has thought that the Jonathan Seagull's family and his community had appreciated him. But instead of appreciation, the leaders of the Seagulls community had not appreciated and they are insulted the Seagull, Jonathan Livingston Seagull, because it does not care the Seagull leader words of not to do flying, but the Jonathan was not sad with their words, because the main motto of the Jonathan Livingston Seagull was flying in the sky and to reach greater heights. So it does not care their words, and the Jonathan Livingston Seagull's community, whoever the leaders, decided to separate the Jonathan Livingston Seagull from their community. So they declared that from now Jonathan Livingston Seagull is not belongs to our community. It will separate from us. From that day, the Jonathan Livingston Seagull does not care about anything who was criticized about the Jonathan Livingston Seagull, and it again started flying in the sky by practicing more and learning new techniques to reach greater heights. So some of the seagulls in the community had a desire to fly in the sky like the Jonathan, but the leaders had not give the permission to do like the Jonathan. So this is the complete first part of the Jonathan Livingston Seagull story. It was quite interesting and very inspiring of Jonathan Livingston. So from this first part of the story, what I have learnt is I would be different from others, because if I had a special talent and special skills, then only I could reach more heights in my life. Then only I could create one record. I could create my name in the records, because like the Jonathan Seagull, it does not live in his comfort zone. It come across from that comfort zone. If it does not fly in the sky, it started practicing. So most of the people among us have the same mindset of the Jonathan Livingston Seagull. So we also have the abilities to do more things beyond the limits. So we need to notice whatever the capacities we have, and we have to improve that capacities and capabilities. So then only we could reach greater heights, and then our name is in records. So for the persons who wants to become great and who wants to become successful, this story is completely helpful to them, and it was a worthy a reading to read this book. This was completely about the Jonathan Livingston Seagull first part of the book, and I hope this video helpful to all the members who are watching this video, and thanks for watching this video.